My name is James and I'm in Chicago. This is a story I never thought I'd tell out loud. I was working in an office back then, long hours, tight deadlines, and the kind of coffee that never quite wakes you up. My boyfriend worked there too. We met at work, actually. We weren't just colleagues, we were a team, professionally and personally. We had that kind of bond people talk about over drinks but rarely find in real life. And then Kamir, he had just graduated, bright eyes, fresh energy, ideas that felt new and full of color. She wasn't part of our office, not officially. I met her through a friend, and somehow she slipped into my world so easily, like she was always meant to be part of it. Before long, I was balancing something strange but beautiful, the quiet stability of my boyfriend and the fire of something new with my girlfriend. I thought I was holding it together, well, maybe even perfectly. But here is what I didn't know. While I was busy juggling work and affection, they started talking. At first, it made sense. He was older, more experienced, and maybe she looked up to him. I encouraged it even. I thought I was creating something rare. Openness, trust, shared connection. But it grew. Late night messages, inside jokes I wasn't part of, conversations that passed when I entered the room. My boyfriend, who used to wait for me after meetings, stopped. My girlfriend, who used to tell me everything, started telling me nothing. And then I saw it. A message on the screen. It simply read, "Don't worry, I don't tell James yet." I didn't cry. I didn't scream. I just stood there. Because in that moment, I realized the trust. I wasn't holding us together. They were holding something without me. So I left. Not just them, but the illusion. The idea that love could be built on honesty when secrets were already going in cracks. I chose myself, quite fully finally. And then it's the real ending.